How to call someone on Instagram. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to call someone in Instagram. After you open up your Instagram app like this, now tap on this message section at the top right side. After you open this message section now, tap on this. As you can see now, let's say I want to call this person. Open up the person message. So as you can see now, here is the call button. As you can see now, here is the call button. If I tap on this now call button now, as you can see now, my call, as you can see now, I'm calling now this person. As you can see, so I'll now go and hang this message, this call up. So as you can see now, if you tap on this section now, you can be able to call the person on Instagram. But before you call anyone on Instagram, that person must be following you, or you are following the person. That means you must be friend with the person. So a friend on Instagram is someone that you follow him and he follow you back. That's a friend. So make sure you note that. That's it guys on how to call someone on Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.